Magandang hapon po ng April 13, 2024 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng April 13, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong Saturday, April 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 13, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 222 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 6.5 million pesos for Saturday, April 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for April 13, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.